active referral systems increase sales. Referrals can help you increase sales for free while reducing the amount of time, money, and energy you spend. There are 4 simple strategies to implement and sustain profitable referral programs for your business no matter what you sell. Quality referrals convert at an average of 20 to 30% more than any other form of lead generation techniques. Why? Because they come from trusted sources. With that said, you must follow some key strategies to make sure you're keeping top of mind with your loyal customers so the people they refer contact your company more often. Here are 4 simple strategies to actively seek referrals. Number 1, contact your best customer or clients. You need to thank your customers that you appreciate their business and then ask your happy customers to recommend you to their friends and family. You need to let them know how much you appreciate them and can do so by a personal phone call, more formally by sending out a letter, or sending an email requesting 3 to 5 names of people that would be a good match for your product or services. It's important to note that the higher quality your customers are, most likely the higher quality the referrals will be too, and therefore these are items that they will buy from you more often. 2, develop various referral programs. You need to brainstorm which offer would work best and what type of demographics you want to target to build your referral programs based upon common interests, the age, or even the income. As the saying goes, different strokes for different folks. You may also vary the referral system based on the timing or methodology of your ask. For example, you may be asking for a referral upon purchase versus asking them quarterly. Or you may even be able to ask for a referral over the phone or email, providing even a special incentive since they've been a long-time loyal customer. Which brings us to point number 3, which is offering incentives is key. It's important to offer incentives such as future product discounts or even free consultations, which shows tokens of appreciation for customers who send you referral business. Keep in mind that these rewards should be gratifying for the customer, but also encourage business from you in some way. Some other examples of quality incentives are a free class consultation in your field of expertise, a gift with purchase, a bonus service of even cash during a specific time frame for them to redeem. 4, capitalizing on seasons. You can take advantage of specific holidays as a time to offer your customers special incentives for giving you referrals. People generally feel more cheery and generous during the holiday season, and spreading the cheer may easily translate into increased referral opportunities. Make sure you're prepared for this at any point in time. Seasonal offers can also work great if you operate within a niche that ebbs and flows. For example, if you're a sporting goods or you sell sporting goods, you may offer incentives or ramp up your volume for incentives during a specific sports season to increase your customer base during peak periods. When you implement any of the strategies above, you will see how easily referrals can instantly increase sales. But consider this for a moment. If 25% of your past or current customers were so impressed by your service that each were compelled to send you 3 leads or referrals. Now imagine if just one of those leads actually turned into a satisfied customer. Because they received valuable service, they would share their experience with another 3 people, and 20% of those also become referrals who purchase more from your company. You can easily see how an active referral system will increase sales. If you are new to our channel or enjoyed this video, give it a like. If you would like additional marketing strategies to increase sales and boost your profits, subscribe to our channel today. If you would like help to implement an active referral system that works to consistently increase your sales, go to www.growthadvisorondemand.com. You can book your free profit boost call so you can see how we can identify additional ways to help you increase sales. No obligation, no sales pitch. We're here to help you boost your business profits on a pay after results basis.